What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video we're talking about an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called Revitalis Lifestyle and Wellness. Revitalis Lifestyle and Wellness is focusing on the future of mental health with their revolutionary therapies that could change the game for millions of people suffering from various different mental health issues. So as we know, this is an up-and-coming sector, the psychedelic sector, using various different psychedelic drugs to treat all these different unfortunate mental health issues. So I'm excited to talk about this company. It is new to the channel, like I said. So we're going to introduce the company, talk all about what they do. This will be a new company trading on the CSE under ticker symbol CALM or CALM. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Last but not least, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the company. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. It helps my videos so very much, means the world to me, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. And always remember, guys, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer, the links included in the description. And always remember that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you Revitalis Lifestyle and Wellness. So the first thing we're going to do is head on over to their website. That's revitalisticlinic.com. We're going to talk about the company first, and we don't have any stock information just as the stock hasn't started trading just yet, but we will go over their investor presentation, and we will, you guys will be able to see everything. So first, the website: innovative therapy for hope and relief, ketamine infusions, vitamin infusion therapy, acupuncture, massage, and nutritional therapy. So let's give you guys a little bit of background about the company. So welcome to your revitalized life. In early 2017, our founders decided they could no longer ignore the profound transformational benefits of combined medical and holistic therapies, which allowed a revitalized life for our East Tennessee community. Though the clinic may have formed in 2017, the vision for Revitalis, a comprehensive environment to best advocate consistency of care, has been with Katie Walker since the very beginning. Our wellness center empowers individuals toward an improved quality of life and well-being through comprehensive and compassionate care. The vision for our practice has become a gold standard that brings you the caring and supportive transformation you deserve. The future of healing and hope is now. So we will be interviewing Catherine Walker, their CEO, to accompany this video. So look out for that video to be released just after this introductory video. But now we are going to first get into their investor presentation. Then we're going to get quickly into an interesting article about the company as well. So here we go. Revitalis, a mental wellness company. A little bit of information. So future-centric treatments for a variety of mood disorders and pain conditions. Sheffield GMP recent research report dated January 14, 2021 indicated psychedelic-assisted psychotherapy clinics have an addressable market opportunity of US 10 to 11 billion in the US alone. Flagship clinic Revitalis commenced operations in February 2018. Expect to build and buy ketamine clinics globally. So 2021 they want 20, the next year they want 60, and then the following year 120 is the goal. So future platform for new psychedelic medicine administered in psychedelic assisted psychotherapy clinics. Telemedicine focused on mental health, launching mid-2021. So just a brief summary of their CEO. Catherine is a nursing anesthesiologist who founded Revitalis in 2018. She has provided care and support to thousands receiving ketamine and has an extensive pipeline of ketamine clinics in the United States. So we're going to go over now the problem and the solution. So depression. More than 264 million people across the world suffer from depression. That's more than the entire population of Canada, Mexico, and the United States combined. Ketamine has been proven to be 85% effective in individuals completing provider treatment recommendations. Now the opioid crisis. Around 130 people in the U.S. die every single day from an opioid overdose. That's enough to fill Yankee Stadium every single year. Revitalis is a first in treatment centers that provide all care in-house, oftentimes helping clients discontinue medications that are no longer necessary for their conditions. Suicidal ideation. In 2018, there was an estimated 1.4 million suicide attempts. If you were to count this number out on your hands, it would take you almost 100 days. Ketamine has been documented to be 95% effective in relieving suicidal ideations. Mental health. Almost half Americans will meet the criteria for a mental health condition at some point in their life. Current mental health treatments are 30% effective. Revitalis wants to change this by having a greater percentage across the country. And as we know, with this whole global illness, unfortunately, it has just expedited all of, if someone might have had an underlying condition, or it's brought in our mental health, to the forefront, and it's a big concern right now. So a little bit of information about ketamine. So FDA, so ketamine for mood and pain conditions is being used as an off-label indication. This is common for many medications and is accepted in the medical industry. Currently, large-scale research facilities, including Oxford University, Johns Hopkins, Yale University, and Cleveland Clinic, are working on the necessary requirements to add these indications. So there's a lot more information out there about ketamine. Obviously, if you're interested in Revitalis, you should do more research on what they're using. So one thing I wanted to talk about was the regulatory landscape, breakthrough therapy designations for psychedelic substances. As we know, right now there is a lot of ongoing clinical trials in terms of using psychedelic substances as medicines. So here we have potential treatment. So major depressive disorder, treatment-resistant depression, bipolar, anxiety, suicidal ideation, drug dependence, alcohol dependence, PTSD, the list goes on. So Revitalis, our flagship clinic, founded by Catherine Walker in 2018, located in Knoxville, Tennessee. 2020 normalized revenue of $1.3 million and EBITDA of $380,000. Primarily private pay, but recently hired insurance experts. Recently received Veteran Affairs license approval for reimbursement. License applies to all states in the U.S. Now, one thing I wanted to touch on was Spravato's success. So Spravato is the first prescription nasal spray taken with an oral antidepressant. Spravato is only available at certified treatment centers under the supervision of a healthcare provider. Nasal esketamine is chemically similar to ketamine and is offered in a nasal spray version as an in-office treatment. It is FDA approved and covered by insurance. So there's the sales in the US. So here's their roadmap. So building a network of on-ground TRD clinics globally with more than 150 ketamine clinics in the acquisition pipeline, plus ketamine media currently engaged with 100 TRD clinics. So they have quite an ambitious plan for their business. So let's talk about their build strategy. So using ketamine's media proprietary digital asset sets for patient and lead generation, Revitalis will optimize targeted geographic locations starting with financially stable demographics with a lower cost of living. So phase 1, construction, $120,000 construction and pre-operating costs, 2 to 3 months construction and hiring up. Phase 1 month pre-marketing with ketamine media. Phase 2, that is to open the clinic, fixed costs including staffing, rent, TMS equipment, lease, marketing, and back-end support, $70,000 per month. Break even after 2 to 3 months of operating. Break-even costs of $350,000. Phase 3, optimization services include ketamine IV, Spravato, and telemedicine. Clinics range from 3,000 square feet on the low to 10,000 square feet on the high. Revenue capacity range 1 to 2 million per clinic. So that is quite an interesting strategy of how phase 1, 2, and 3 will work when it comes to their clinics. Here's their 2021 PAP clinic build pipeline, and that's where the locations will be. And then the buy strategy. So pipeline of clinics to acquire through Revitalis and ketamine media's existing network of over 150 operating ketamine clinics worldwide. So what is ketamine media? So the industry's first dedicated media agency with over 100 clinics under management worldwide and growing. The world's largest network of digital properties in ketamine and psychedelics, combining north of 800 websites globally. Have raised awareness about the clinical use of ketamine and psychedelics at scale and possesses more data than any other advertising company in the world, on pace to control more internet traffic globally than any other company in the psychedelic medicine space. And finally, pioneer the first mover's advantage, leading any other psychedelic advertising company. The #1 infusion center growth platform for ketamine providers. So this, it looks very interesting. Ketamine media. This looks like a great assistance program for, having so many ketamine clinics. That is very interesting. So guys, that's it for the introductory video. Like I said, I will be interviewing their CEO, so I'm very excited about that. It looks like a very interesting company. So if you're interested in ketamine clinics and this is something you really believe in, or you just believe in the sector and the healing powers that it could potentially hold, then Revitalis might be one company to take a look at. Now, always remember, this is a sponsored video, so for full disclosure details, check the description down below, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, that's it for the video. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I'm out of here. Always remember, Departures Capital and Departures Stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.